Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable game sharing on the PlayStation 5. If you have game sharing enabled, you will be able to play games that have been purchased on the other account. If you don't have game sharing turned on, you will see a lock next to the game on your account that you're trying to play the games on. So for this example, you will see Minecraft is installed on another account and does not have game sharing turned on, and you will see a little lock on it. So if you click on Minecraft, it will tell you you can't use this content. To use this content, purchase it, because game sharing is not turned on. So let's enable game sharing on the account with the games. First thing we need to do is switch accounts. And you have to make sure that the account with all the games that have been purchased on is signed into the PlayStation 5. Once you're logged into the account where you want to turn on game sharing, we need to get to settings. That's located on the top right hand corner. Once in settings, we're going to scroll down to users and accounts. Once in users and accounts, we're going to scroll down to other. In other, you will see console sharing and offline play. Here it says you don't have a PlayStation 5 with console sharing and offline play enabled. Do you want to enable console sharing on this PlayStation 5? If you do, anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 will be able to play your games and media, even when the console is offline. You can have one PlayStation 5 with console sharing enabled. Note that this has no impact on your PlayStation 4 if you have one set, and we are going to click enabled. And it says you have enabled console sharing on this PlayStation 5. Now we're going to switch to the account we want to play the games on. Now if we go back to Minecraft, you no longer see the little lock on Minecraft, and if we click on it, you are able to play the game. Now if the game you're still trying to play has a lock on it, even though you enabled game sharing, you need to go back to the account where the game originally was downloaded and paid for. So we are going to switch users. Then you need to go back to settings. That's located top right hand corner. Scroll down to users and accounts. Scroll down to other. And you are going to click on restore licenses. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the license for the content. Try restoring the license. If you select restore, all games and apps in use will close. And you will click restore. And you'll hit yes. And you will see that it's restoring all the licenses for all the games you have purchased. Here you will see that the licenses have been restored, and we are going to click OK. And that is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, consider supporting this channel by just subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.